Understanding Dockside Services, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term Dockside Services. This phrase is commonly used in the shipping and maritime industry, and understanding it can help you in various contexts, especially in business English. Let's dive in. The phrase, Dockside Services, is made up of two words, dockside and services. Let's look at each word separately. Dockside. This part of the phrase refers to the area alongside or near a dock. A dock is a structure extending along the shore or out from the shore, beside which boats and ships can be moored for loading and unloading. Services. This refers to the assistance or work done for others, typically to fulfill a need or provide a benefit. When combined, dockside services refers to the various types of assistance or work provided at or near the dock area. Understanding dockside services is easier when we look at specific examples. Here are a few. 1. Loading and unloading. This includes transferring goods from ships to the dock and vice versa. 2. Fueling services. Providing fuel to ships and boats at the dock. 3. Maintenance and repairs. Offering maintenance services for vessels while they are docked. 4. Storage facilities. Providing storage for goods either before they are loaded onto a ship or after being unloaded. 5. Customs and inspection services. Handling the necessary customs procedures for goods entering or leaving a country. These are just a few examples, but they highlight the wide range of services that can fall under the category of dockside services. To better understand how to use dockside services in a sentence, let's look at a few examples. The company specializes in providing efficient dockside services to cargo ships. During our stay at the port, we utilized various dockside services, including maintenance and fueling. The improvement in dockside services has significantly increased the port's efficiency. Notice how the phrase is used to describe activities and services related to the dock area. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of dockside services. This phrase is particularly useful in contexts related to shipping, trade, and maritime activities. As always, keep practicing your English, and don't hesitate to explore more industry-specific terms to expand your vocabulary. See you in the next video.